Hi everybody, Gregory here, and guess what? Now I get to hang out with Miss Kay from Dupe That.
Hi everyone.
Hey ladies, gentlemen, guess what? We're gonna share some of our favorite dupes with you right now. Ready?
I'm ready.
Now Kay, I've shared a little bit of my favorites with you, and I know you keep eyeing one of your favorites over there.
I see one over there that I use
Which
almost
one?
every time I have damp hair. It's the Silk Remedy.
Why do you love this? Everybody is obsessed with this Silk Remedy.
I love it. I have used the Chi version since I was like 15 years old.
Yeah.
It has been like my go-to, and
Yeah.
this feels exactly the same.
Yep.
You just massage a little bit into your damp hair, and it just literally makes your hair feel like silk.